Palina, and today I'll be doing a cute peachy makeup look that I really enjoy. I haven't done this look in a while. The last time I did it I was still blonde. It's a look that I like to do when I don't have much time or when I want something simple and cute and natural looking. So I hope you guys will like this look, and let's get started. I already moisturized my skin and I'm wearing my golden loop earrings. I will put my hair up and start with base makeup. I'm using my YSL foundation today, and I'm using this very cute fluffy peach makeup sponge. I will take a full pump on the back of my hand and dotting it on my face. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are doing well. I hope you stay warm, stay safe and stay healthy, and I hope you enjoy this makeup look. I'm using my fluffy peach makeup sponge to blend the foundation out on my skin, even my skin tone, and cover some blemishes. With the rest foundation on the back of my hand, I'm going to apply it under my eyes where I have dark circles. Now I'm taking a creamy concealer to cover up some spots and blemishes I have on my skin. Last night I watched a new movie called The 355. There are 3 female spies in the movie. The American spy can only speak English and merci. The German spy can speak English, French and German. And the Chinese spy struggle to speak English. This is relevant and accurate at the same time. If you could speak any language fluently right now besides your mother language, which language would it be? To set my makeup, I will use my Canmake Marshmallow finish powder. I will brush it gently under my eyes, on my forehead, around my nose and my mouth. This is a product from the Japanese drugstores. I saw it online, a lot of people was talking about it and saying it's a great powder, so I tried it out. It's cool how you can get to know overseas makeup brands and products through reviews online. These are brands and makeup products I would never hear about if it wasn't for the internet. And now I'm going to fill my eyebrows with the Innisfree Auto Brow Pencil. This is in the shade brown. I'm just going to fill up my eyebrows in the natural shapes they already have and then brush it out. What is your favorite kind of eyebrow shape? There are arched eyebrows, straight eyebrows, round, curved eyebrows, also really slim eyebrows. Personally for me, I like eyebrows with an arch. Not too crazy, there are really arched eyebrows that will only suit certain face shapes, but I also don't want to have a straight eyebrow. I think I like them the way they are with a little arch. To add some warmth to my face, I'm using a warm tone bronzer. This is a Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm brushing it on the side of my cheeks, on my jawline, on my chin, just to add some sun-kissed warmth to my face. And now for blush, I'm using my Kaleidos Lo-Fi Blush Duo. This one is in the combo Lo-Fi Peach. I'm taking the matte peachy color and I will brush it onto my face to give me a nice peachy blush. The blush is not super pigmented, so I can brush it on and lay it until I get the desired effect. The camera does wash the blush out a little bit, so it actually looks more peachy and pigmented in person. Now for a simple eye look, I will take a fluffy blending brush and I'm using the same matte peachy blush shade. I will brush it onto my eyelids, blending it out to have a same monochromatic peachy vibe. It's really simple and easy, and I love the monochromatic vibe. You can do this with any blush you have. If it's red or pink or plum colors, you can match your cheeks and your eyes with the same color by using the blush on your eyes. And now I'm taking a small flat eyeshadow brush. Using that same blush shade, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And for the shimmer of the eye look, I'm going to use the MAC Extra Dimension Highlighter in Whisper of Gilt. It's a beautiful gold tone champagne color. I'll use my fingertips and apply it onto my eyelids. It's very easy to do, and I really like how a blush and highlighter can just create such an easy eye look. I would definitely love to try out different combos using other blush and highlighters I have in my collection. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite blush and highlighter. Now using my little pinky finger, I will apply the same highlighter on my inner corners of the lower lash line, and then I will curl my eyelashes. This is the Shiseido eyelash curler and works great for me. I like to curl my eyelashes a little bit before applying mascara. I find that this way the lashes would hold the curl better. Now for eyeliner, I will use my Kiss Me Brown liquid liner. It's a brush tip eyeliner and the bristles kinda split up. It doesn't really affect me though. I'm using a brown eyeliner today because brown just looks more natural and gentle and soft compared to a black liner. Black eyeliners would stand out and pop off much more than a brown liner. I like to use brown eyeliners on days where I'm doing more natural and light makeup looks. On days where I want a fierce, defined winged eyeliner look, I will flick the wing up more, and on days like this where I want a natural, gentle look, I will flick the wing more sideways rather than upwards. But whatever you do, definitely don't drag the wing downwards. This will make your whole eye look draw down and your eye shape won't look as appealing. I'm happy with how the eyeliner turned out, and now I'm going to add a little brown dot on my eyelid and also one on my cheeks where I have a natural mole. I don't know, is this called mole? Let me know. I'm going to draw a little dot and then tap it with my finger to make it look more natural. Now for mascara, I'm using my Clio Kill Lash Long and Curling Mascara. It has a slim wand, really nice for precise application. And this one is waterproof, it holds my curl very well. I like this mascara a lot. Let me know what is your favorite mascara. I have straight and short eyelashes, and I've tried Western and Asian mascaras before. Asian mascaras I've tried tend to be more waterproof and drying, harder to remove, but holds my curl really well, whereas Western mascaras are more wet, maybe moisturizing, but my eyelashes will draw down easily. I don't want to be too hard to remove, but I also wanted to hold my curl, and this mascara does the job pretty well, so I really like it. Now back to face makeup. I feel like I could use more blush, so I'm taking the same matte peach blusher and brushing it onto my cheeks. And then I don't want this to be a completely matte blush look, so I want to add some glow to it. I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Gold Rush blush. This one is a pink blush with some golden shimmers in it. It really doesn't show up well in color, but gives me a nice golden sheen. So I'm adding some glow to my cheeks. Now it's time for highlighter. I brought quite a few choices today. I have two highlighters here from MAC, Whisper of Gilt and Show Gold. Whisper of Gilt is the same color I used on my eyes, a beautiful golden color, and Show Gold is a pink gold highlighter. And then I have also the three highlighters in my NARS Euphoria face palette. It has a bronzy gold, yellow gold, and a white gold color. I decided to go with Whisper of Gilt, which is the same highlighter I used on my eyes and the same highlighter I used last time I did this look. I'm applying the highlighter on my nose bridge, on my cheeks where the light hits, and also a little bit on my cupid's bow because I was feeling cute. You can use any gold or pink toned highlighter for this look. These are basic highlighter colors that most people have, so if you want, you can recreate this look at home. It's really easy. Now finally for lips, I will use a combo of two products. This is a MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Devoted to Chili. It's a beautiful orange-red color that also shows up on my lips more pink if I apply a thin layer and blend it out. So I'm gently tapping it over my lips and blend it out with my fingers. And then to top it off, I'm going to use a Chanel Rouge Coco lip gloss. This is in the shade 166 Physical. It's a beautiful peach colored lip gloss with some golden shimmers in it. I'm applying it over my lips to add some extra peachy color and also a glossy finish. And I really like this lip combo. And this is a completed peachy makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I hope you have an amazing day. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!